Hey girls, the next cheer we're going to learn is called Here We Go. It's got 3 parts because we're going to say the same thing 3 times, but we're going to do something different with our body each time. So with the first part, we say, the words are, here we go, Titans, here we go, and then we clap twice. So when we say ready, okay, you start down low. Here we go, Titans, here we go, clap, clap. That's your first one. Your second, you say, here we go, Titans, here we go, clap, clap. Your third, you're going to say, here we go, Titans, here we go, clap, clap. So we do it all together. It looks like this. Ready? Okay. Here we go, Titans, here we go. Here we go, Titans, here we go. Here we go, Titans, here we go. And with this cheer, you're going to have pom-poms. So when you do your claps, just imagine you have 2 pom-poms together because you're going to hear the ruffle of the claps. But I want you to practice being really, really loud so everybody can hear you.